Imagine you're looking for a specific pair of running shoes. If you click on a specific ad, but instead of the shoes you land into a giant department store homepage, what do? You leave. So this is the difference between an actual website and a landing page. One is an explorer map, the other is a direct flight through or to your actual destination. So I'm going to break down exactly what a landing page is. So the first thing to know, to understand, is the landing page and the home page. Here we can see that this is an actual landing page. Basically, we have the actual communication stuff, there's an actual product, there's only one link available, and sometimes we do have an actual social media stuff. If I open a new page and I go for landing page preview and I go for images, it will be showing you kinds of websites like this. This, for example, it's not an actual landing page as if it might be something like this. But if you focus, for example, for an actual homepage website, a homepage website will be a little bit different than that. So basically, inside here, through this specific image, you can tell the actual difference between which one is the home page and which one is the landing page. The home page usually have more than two different links, and the landing page has only one specific landing page. So the home page is built for browsing. It has links to your about page, it has a blog page, it has contact information, and is designed for people to get lost in only inside of that. And the landing page into the right section, you can see that it's built for a specific campaign. It has one click and it has just one goal. We call this the rule of one because one offer, one audience, one call to action. So because there are no distractions, landing pages typically have 10 times higher conversions rate than a standard website. So how does this actually work? How does let's say a ad email, a landing page, or a goal website actually works? We have an actual example here of an actual website that we generated with Canva. So the magic happens basically with a traffic source. Because this could be a Google ad, it could be an Instagram reel, it could be an email. So the magic happens through the message matched. If your ad says free CEO audit, your landing page must say free CEO audit in big letters at the actual top. So it says join the conversation. For example, let's say that I wanted to change this to something different. For example, buy now, buy two. I have a specific message here. Many landing pages use dynamic content, so this means the page might change its headline automatically depending on who clicked the actual link, making this feel 100% personal. And there's 5 essential elements that we need to add directly for pointing to the top of the page, which is the unique selling proposition. So this is your headline. It tells the visitor exactly where they get and why they should care, which in my case I have an actual button. Now the hero shot, which is the second one, is a visual representation of the benefit. So don't show the software, you want to show the person happy because the software saved them time. So usually if I go for a landing page example, we can see that there's a lot of hero stuff. Basically this kind of interaction is the one that's going to be driving so much more traffic and more conversions. So the call to action, which is the buy button, the download button to upgrade now, those should be high contrast and easy to tap into the mobile screen. In this example, I needed to highlight this, I believe a green or a yellow button to make this process much more attractive like this. So I'm going to put this directly inside here, and this is an actual really great call to action. So basically this is an actual way of how you can generate a landing page. You see now the actual difference between a landing page and a home page. So if you're spending money on ads but sending people to your home page, you're throwing money away because you need to generate a landing page instead. So if you wanted to see more elements about landing pages builders, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we're going to see you all next time.